The strong evidence against Wayne Ciuzenes were the CCTV footages which were captured at various places. On the 4th of March he intimated department that he was suffering from stress and couldn't carry gun. On the 5th of March he was seen in CCTV carrying a petrol container. He used that petrol to burn Sarah Everett body in a refrigerator. He bought 2 builder's bags. In one bag he put remains of Sarah and on the 7th of March he dropped it in pond. On the 8th of March he informed department that he was ill and handed over his belt and handcuffs. On the 10th of March, while petroling, police found a bag having human remains, definitely of Sarah. That place was 10 meters away from Wayne's home. On the 12th of March it gone confirmed that the remains were of Sarah Everett by her teeth tests. Post-mortem confirmed Sarah was died due to neck compression on